For this video, we will try to show you how to make a good use of the list function in statistics to evaluate different types of functional values. To show this, we are going to press the Start button and then the first choice of the first menu, Edit. In order to demonstrate this, I would like to randomly assign 10 different values of x on the column L1. For example, +1 to +10. If I have a new function called fx equals to x squared plus 5, for example, we don't have to evaluate the functional values for 10 times. We can try to input the expression at the top of each column. So take the function fx as an example. Firstly, we go to the top of this column. We are going to input fx equals to x squared plus 5. As from this screen, we know that x is represented by 10 values in the column L1. Then we can try to input the expression of this function by considering x as L1. So I'm going to press the second button and then press the number 1 button. This represents L1. And then I'm going to square it and then plus 5. And then if we try to press enter, we would be able to have the 10 functional values automatically. Similarly, if I have the second function, let's say gx equals to the square root of x, as L1 represents the variable x, we would be able to use a similar strategy. Once we have highlighted this box, we can try to input the square root first, and then input L1 by pressing the second button and the number 1 button. And here would be the corresponding functional values. By using the similar approach, the evaluation of the composite functional values would also be possible. For example, if we wish to consider the composite function g log fx equals to the square root of x squared plus 5, which means the inner function is fx and the outer function will be gx. It also means that we have to square root the functional value of fx. As we know that the functional values of fx would be represented by the column L2. Then we will be able to use the fourth column, highlight this box first, and then we input the square root of L2 this time by pressing the second button and then the number 2 button. And then press enter, and we will be able to have those 10 new functional values, which represents the calculations of this new composite function.